to see. When you search our channel, this is how it looks. And you can be able to click on join. The join button is right there. Now this, apparently this maybe does not happen with a phone. It only happens on your desktop. So that might be the reason you don't see it. But if you can go to your desktop and then click on join. Now there are three membership levels. There is bronze, which is $1.99 a month. There is silver, which is $4.99 a month. And also there is gold, which is $9.99 a month. And thank you for the members who have joined. We are doing a special video to appreciate all the members that we have already. And we really appreciate, because we are going to use the resources that we get from this channel to build better quality videos, to concentrate more on the research, and to collaborate with people to bring in books. We are looking at issues of bringing in books so that people have a place to go and just look for the Luo resources. So please join the channel. I know that we have so many. We have 10,000 followers on Facebook. We have 4,000 followers on YouTube. So if half of each just joined on maybe the bronze at $1.99 a month, that will be enough revenue to push us to the next level. So that is why I wanted to talk about this. And now I wait for your questions and comments, as I have already covered all that I wanted to cover today. So any questions, please type on the chat box, and then we shall be able to just talk about them as we close. So this is a question and answer session. In this session, if you have questions, you can ask. If you have comments, you can give comments. And you have noticed that if you put in a comment, it appears on the screen. So that's very good for everybody. Someone who doesn't want to watch the comment section, they can simply look at the screen and they'll see your comment pop up.